wonder how AI is transforming the world? ChatGPT is a perfect example for this. It can create unique script ideas for YouTube too. In this video, I will show you how to generate unique script using ChatGPT. Open browser and type ChatGPT AIPRM. What actually this AIPRM is? It is a prompt management tool. It can be used for diverse of applications. It can generate prompts for ChatGPT, for Google Bots, and even Midjourney too. Yes, it can generate prompts for Midjourney. Let's get this. Click on this install button. Then we are redirected to here. If you want, you can listen this video.
To the new AIPRM prompts for ChatGPT. This is not just about SEO that you love so.
Let's start. Click on the code. Then click on add extension. Then click on login. Then we are redirected here. Click on continue with Google. Then we have to choose the account with which you want to continue to this ChatGPT. Then add your details here. Then click on continue. Add your phone number and then click on yes. Do you have WhatsApp? Then you have to undergo verification steps. Once the verification is complete, enter the code which is sent to you through WhatsApp. Then click on continue. Then accept this and click on connect with Google account. Then again you have to choose with which account you want to continue. Then we are redirected here. Accept these policies. These are just mandatory terms of service. Then click on continue. We are being redirected here. Then you have to check your inbox for the mail. To verify your AIPRM account, click on the link to verify. Then we are redirected to here. Then we can be able to connect with our AIPRM. Get back to this tab and click 2 times next. And then this is the final step. Click on done. Yay, we got our AIPRM for ChatGPT. There are two versions. One is 3.5 and the other one is 4. These are the versions 3.5 and 4. The fourth one is premium. We have to pay amount for this, but no need. Let's close this. Let us explore our 3.5 version. There are many tools like human written code, Midjourney prompt generator, and we have article generator including FAQs. Then we can write above and whatnot. There are many tools with this AIPRM with ChatGPT. Once you have this AIPRM, you can do anything. Yes, literally anything. Here is our script generator and many other tools. Let us explore the other page. I have already told no, there are many tools using. You can use any of these. Actually, there are many content creating and blog posting. We have those code generator, Python Pro, and we have script generator for social media also. For now, we want to get script for a YouTube video, so let's get back and click on this YouTube script creator. Click on that. Here we can enter the prompt for which video we want to generate a script. Let us say write a script for what? 5 unknown facts about Apple. Let's see what goes. And I wanted length be, let's say, of 30 seconds. Then hit enter. Yay, we have our script. You can see that ChatGPT is generating our script. This is how we can get script for YouTube video using AIPRM extension with ChatGPT. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more tech content.